You know that one of the most important things to do, or one of the first things to do once you move to the UK, is to open a bank account, whether you are a student or a worker. But opening a bank account in the UK is not always as easy as it may sound, because first of all, you may have all the required documents, but if you don't have a particular document which is very necessary, you won't be able to open a bank account. And that means so many things will be tied down. I mean, your income will be tied down. You won't be able to do certain things. You may have to withdraw money from your account in your country and then ask someone to help you convert and do some certain things. But if you have a bank account already, that would ease you of all that pain. Now in this video, I will tell you how you can open a UK bank account from your country. That means you don't have to be in the UK already. You don't have to be resident in the UK. You can open a bank account from your country even before moving to the UK, especially if you are moving to the UK soon. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinemerem, and if you are stopping by for the first time, hello, you are most welcome. Please don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Now on this channel, I share information about living in the UK, studying in the UK, and basically getting around your way in the UK. So you may want to stick around my channel if you are planning to move to the UK or if you are in the UK already. Now in this video, let's cover opening a bank account in the UK from your country of residence that is outside the UK. Now, normally you need to be in the UK for you to be able to open a bank account, but some things can restrain you. Let me give you for instance, when I moved to the UK newly, fortunately, I got a job as soon as I moved, but I couldn't get paid. Well, I had to use my husband's account. What if you don't have someone you can trust? Some people, you use their account to get paid and they will eat the money. I've had stories about this where someone used someone's account to get his or her pay, and then the person they used his account actually took the money and he ran away. The agency I worked with, we are paying weekly. If it was monthly, I may have been able to meet up with the utility bills to put my name on the utility bills, but because they were paying weekly, I had to use my husband's account to take my wages until I was able to get my name on the utility bill. And then it took about a month for a bill to come on before I could open a bank account, and this took a while. Imagine if I was here studying, or if I was here on my own, whose account will I use? Who will I trust? You can't really trust anybody, especially when it comes to money. So that's why this video is very important for you if you are planning to move to the UK, or if you are in the UK already but you're facing challenges opening a bank account just because you don't have a proof of address. Because proof of address is one of the most important documents you will need to open a bank account in the UK. Now, you don't get a proof of address immediately. So getting a house does not mean you will get a proof of address immediately. Getting a house is one step, but then your proof of address would come maybe in a month when your utility bill arrives, maybe water bill, gas bill, electricity bill, any bill at all. And this may take up to 1 month to arrive. What if you're lucky enough to get a job as soon as you move and you are getting paid weekly, like I was getting paid weekly, and you have to face all the challenges of begging people to use their account, and sometimes the company that is paying you won't even agree to use someone's account to pay you your wages. So how do you go about it? In fact, to do so many things in the UK, you would need a bank account to build your credit record, to take your salaries, to take your wages, to be able to do some things for yourself, to pay your tuition fee if you are a student in the UK. I don't mean you cannot pay your tuition fee by cash. You can pay it by cash, but in most cases, you'd like to pay it via direct debit. So there's a record of something going on in your account. So the things you need to open a bank account in the UK normally is: one, your proof of identity, which may be your passport or your residence permit. If you are an international student, you will need to show maybe a student visa, a student ID, or your letter of acceptance of studies. That's your UCAS. You may need any of these just to prove that you are a student. Now, the third thing is your proof of address. Your proof of address is mostly your utility bill, your rental contract, or your council tax bill. The most difficult one to get is your proof of address, and it may be the only reason why you may be refused to open a bank account in the UK, because normally the high street banks like HSBC, NatWest, Halifax, Nationwide, and the rest of them may not allow you to open an account with them if you don't have a proof of address. You may now ask, what account can I open from outside the UK? The account you can open in the UK from your country is an online bank account.
There are some online banks
that will let you open a bank account with them from your country without requesting for a proof of address. Now, I'll mention a few of them to you in this video, and your job is to go on and research about them, as I am not promoting any of them. The first bank that will allow you open an account with them is Monzo. And the only thing you need to open an account with Monzo is your email address, your phone number, and any ID document at all. Banking features they have in Monzo: current account, joint account, and transfers abroad. So you can transfer money from abroad to the account, and you can transfer money from the account that you have here to the abroad. And you can also open a joint account with your partner or anyone with money. The second online account you can open from your country is Monzo. I think this is the most popular one. People in the UK use it a lot, not just people outside. People in the UK, they use Monzo a lot. So what you will need to open a Monzo account is just a valid ID. But for you to receive your debit card, you would need a UK address. So you don't have to take a proof of address to them, but you need to give them a UK address where they will deliver your debit card to you. So if you know anybody at all in the UK, someone you can trust though, you can tell the person to receive your debit card for you, and you can start using your Monzo bank account from your country. Then when you move to the UK as well, you can also use it here until you settle for a high street bank of your choice. Their banking features include current account, joint account, children's account, savings account, and transfers abroad. You can use it anywhere in the world without paying any fees. The next one is Revolut. And all you need to open a Revolut account is your ID card, your valid ID card. Now, the banking features with Revolut include current account, savings account, children's account, transfers abroad, travel account. With Revolut, you can transfer money to about 30 countries with their interbank exchange rate. The next one is Atoms. Now, what you need to open in an Atom account is a valid ID only, and the banking features include savings account, loans, and overdrafts. So with Atoms, you can get loans, you can get overdrafts as well. They won't charge you any fees for using their bank cards abroad. The next one is Wise, and with Wise, you only need a valid ID to open an account. And the last one is Sterling. With Sterling as well, you can open an account with only your valid ID card, and their features include current account, travel account, children's account, and they can offer you loans and overdraft. These are the 6 bank accounts you can open from your country, even if you are not in the UK already, especially if you are planning to move to the UK soon, or you are in the UK already but finding it difficult to open an account. These are the 6 easiest ones you can open. With time, you can go and look out for a high street bank that you think will suit you and open those ones. I hope this was very helpful. Please don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. If you have any questions, please ask. If you have any contribution, please also contribute in the comment section. Also follow me on Instagram. My handle will be in the description, and it will be somewhere on the screen. That's that about this video. Until I see you again in the next one, do take care, stay safe, and bye.